Wow! Yay! Timothy! Yay! Galing driver si Timothy, oh! Wow! Galing ng driver! Natatakot na siya! Mas nakakatakot pala si Timothy mag-drive kesa kay Tito Elvis eh. Ang galing ni Timothy. Uy, galing oh. Wow. Pagpaapuin mo lang siya eh. Pag ganun. Galing ni Timothy pala mag-drive. Natatakot na si auntie.
Oh, good job.
Tim, wag mong banggain. Tim, wag mong banggain.
Wait, not yet. We're
Wait.
not yet going back.
Wait lang. Marunong siya. Palagi na pala sila dito.
Wait.
Ang galing ni Timothy. Oh, ganda. Musta ka naman, auntie?
Timothy, let's go there. Let's go there. You bring the boat there. Let's go there. You bring the boat there. Over there. On the other end. Let's go. Okay, no, we gotta go straight. Go straight.
Go, go, go! Galing ni Timothy ah. Wow, galing.